Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shellie Geigle with J&S Hobbies and Crafts. And today, what's new? Today's Thursday and we got another paper pack that arrived at the store. And this is by Ciao as well. This one, and I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this correctly, Aesop's Fables. And it is so stinking cute. I gotta tell you, I already flipped through this. But it's a 12 by 12, and there are 12 double-sided sheets, and that includes the back side of the cover. So let's take a look at this. This is so cute. And there's the back, and you got your cut-aparts. I really like this print. And then here, the grasshopper and the ant. Down here it says, never waste time. There's a time to work and a time to play. Oh, that's adorable. And then on the back side, we have a background. The fox and the crow. And down here it says, vanity blinds and often does commit nonsense. Oh, that's adorable. And then we got the wood background. I love wood backgrounds. We've got the hen and the golden egg. Down here it says, those who have plenty want more and so lose all they have. So it's kind of a storybook here. Oh, that's an interesting background. I kind of like that. We got some cut-aparts. And we have this gorgeous background. And then we've got this. The race is not always to the swift. That's the hare and the turtle. And we have this. This is so cute. We got a background. Better beans and bacon and peace than cakes and ale and fear. The fox and the grapes. There are many who pretend to despise and belittle that which is beyond their reach. And we have some panel cut-aparts. And on the back, and we got some more background. That's pretty, and that's gorgeous. Ooh, these colors look wonderful together. They all blend in. And here's another background, and on the back it looks like we have this print. Kindness is never wasted. I like that. So that is what's new at the store. This would make a cute storybook type mini album or folio in my eyes. And when I was looking at this, I was kind of doing some measurements so that if I did do something, I would want to make sure that I get in the main story and, of course, the print that goes along with it. So that is Aesop's Fable, and I will be doing more of these What's New as paper comes in. I have several, so over the next week or 2 weeks, however long it takes to get these in. I know a lot of them are on their way. I'll be doing these What's New. So comment below the video and let me know what you think of this. I'll see you real soon. I do have a project share that I will be filming and releasing soon. It's just a project share and something I've been working on. And as soon as the paper comes in that I've been waiting for, that I wanted to do a large album with, then I can get started on that to do a tutorial. Happy crafting, everybody, and I hope you enjoyed this paper review as much as I liked looking through it with you. See you soon.